My entire team costs $0 per month. No payroll, no benefits, no drama. Just 3 employees. All AI, always available. I am George, placed second in the VAPI hackathon. I run an agency with AI doing 80% of the work. In the end of the video, I will give you a pro tip to make all AI models have the same context about you and your business, or whatever you want them to know, so they can be in the same page. Here's how you build the same stack. Most people pay $200 per month for SaaS they don't use. I spent $0 to $60 depending on the month, using the free tiers of Gemini, ChatGPT, and Claude. That's it. 3 tools, 3 roles. An advisor, a writer, a developer. Trained on billions of data points, ready to work, getting better every month. This is the 2026 agency stack. Let me show you how it works. First of all, let me tell you what happened when I didn't use the right tool. Last summer, I wanted to build an Instagram bot for salons and spas, a receptionist that books appointments through DMs. At the time, I was only using ChatGPT. I sat at my desk for weeks, 12-hour days, setting screenshots back and forth, debugging, rewriting, but everything kept breaking. ChatGPT would give me code, I would test it, it would fail, and that was on repeat. A month in, I had nothing, no progress, just frustration. I almost quit. I was depressed. Felt like I was too stupid to build anything. Then I gave Claude a shot. Sent it the broken code. 1 day later, the bot was working. Just 1 day, imagine. I didn't know if I should be happy or furious. I wasted a month using the wrong tool. That's when it hit me. AI is just a tool. You need to know which tool to use. Every LLM has strengths, weaknesses, and blind spots. For example, ChatGPT is great for conversation and psychology, but terrible for complex debugging. Claude is built for code, for structured thinking, for developer workflows. Use the wrong one and you suffer. Gemini is my strategist, my board of directors. It doesn't just answer questions, it challenges my decisions. If I'm about to make something stupid, for example, it calls me out. More specific, if I'm working at 2 a.m. stressed, trying to force a breakthrough, Gemini stops me. You've been working for 14 hours. You've completed XYZ today. Go to sleep, you're not thinking clearly. References, the actual time. That's impressive. The tasks I finished and the diminishing returns. That's not a chatbot, that's a board member who cares if I burn out. I can ignore it if I want, but usually it's right. Logic over emotion. That's Gemini. And that's not an ad, by the way. ChatGPT is my writer. It handles anything repetitive, emails, follow-ups, or captions. It sounds human, like texting a friend. That's because it's trained on psychology, not just logic. If I need a cold email, ChatGPT drafts it. If I need 10 variations, it gives me 10 or more. It understands tone, context, what makes people respond. Prompt it correctly once, and it remembers how you want things written. That is valuable. That is your copywriter on standby. Claude is my developer, my nerd friend. I'm not a coding expert. I use low-code tools like NA10, Make, VAPI, and many more. But sometimes you need custom code. Claude handles that. You can also connect it via MCP so it can debug your whole workflow. That is pretty useful if you need one. Now here's the real hack. Use them to check each other. ChatGPT drafts a cold email, send it to Gemini for evaluation. Gemini says, this feels too salesy, reframe it as a question. Send it back to ChatGPT with that feedback. Now you've got both working for you. Cross-validation, like having multiple experts review your work. That's how you get 10x output without 10x effort. Now, here's the pro tip I promise. Most people treat each AI like it's meeting them for the very first time. Every conversation starts from zero. That's inefficient. Here's what I do. Go to one of your AIs, let's say Claude, and ask, what do you know about me and my business? Structure it so I can use it as a knowledge base for other LLMs. It will output everything: your business model, your tone, your goals, your past projects. Then copy that, save it as a text file. Now upload that file to Gemini's knowledge base and upload it to ChatGPT's memory. Then boom, they're all on the same page. No more repeating yourself, no more context loss. Your entire AI team knows your business like they have worked with you for years. That's the stack. $0 to $60 per month. If you want me to build a system like this for your business, automated follow-ups, lead reactivation, AI-powered workflows, links in the description. And if you want more systems like this, subscribe. I drop one every week. Now go build your team.